Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get a loan from Payit. So to begin, you need to download the Payit app from the App Store and create an account by providing some basic personal and financial information. Once you have created your account, you will need to verify your identity by uploading a valid government-issued ID and providing your employment details. This information is used to determine your credit worthiness and loan eligibility. After verifying your identity, you can apply for a loan by selecting the loan amount and repayment term that suits your needs. Payit offers flexible loan options with varying interest rates, so it is essential to review the terms and conditions before applying. Once you have selected your loan options, you will need to provide additional financial information such as your income and expenses to help Payit assess your credit worthiness. This information is used to determine the interest rate and repayment terms of your loan. If your loan application is approved, the funds will be dispersed into your account and you can use them for any purpose. It's essential to note that Payit loans have varying interest rates and repayment terms, so it's crucial to review the terms and conditions before applying to repay your loan. You can set up a repayment plan that suits your needs, and Payit will provide you with reminders and notifications to ensure you never miss a payment. It is essential to make timely payments to avoid late payment fees and interest charges. In addition to providing loans, Payit also offers a range of financial tools and resources to help you manage your finances effectively. These tools include budgeting and saving trackers, credit score monitoring, and financial education resources. Overall, getting a loan from Payit is a quick and easy process that can provide you with the financial support you need to achieve your goals. By following these simple steps and using the financial tools and resources provided by Payit, you can take control of your finances and make informed decision about your money. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.